You know, in preparing for this, I was thinking about election night. The night you won the election.
That was 6 days later.
Yes. I was thinking about your victory speech. I want to read back a portion of it to you. You said, "We can work with people who are different than us. We can be friends with people who are different than us. We can love and care about people who are different than us. We can keep people who are different than us safe." Do you believe William Barr, as Attorney General, shares that vision and would enforce policies to bring that vision to life?
I do believe he would do so. He and I have broad differences on a number of policy issues, but it is my very firm belief that it is not the role of the United States Senate, nor is it my role as a United States Senator, to judge him based on his beliefs around political issues. It is my job as a United States Senator to decide whether or not he can faithfully and will faithfully uphold the law as it exists. If there are members of Congress, and I certainly fit into this category, who would like to see changes in some aspects of federal law, it is our duty, it is our branch of government that changes those laws. It is his role, if he were to be confirmed as the United States Attorney, to implement those laws, regardless of his own personal political opinion.
And yet AGs have pretty vast latitude when it comes to laws or even rulemaking. We've seen what Jeff Sessions did regarding immigration. Much of the current, what Democrats would describe as the immigration mess, as a result of rules Jeff Sessions put into place. There's a lot he can do in the area of LGBT rights, voting rights, immigration. That doesn't need your approval, right?
Well, in some cases it would.
But in others it wouldn't.
In others it wouldn't.
How confident are you that he would protect the voting rights, LGBT rights?
I fully expect that if confirmed as Attorney General, he would execute the law to the best of his ability and, most importantly, in the spirit in which Congress intended in passing the laws. Now, if there is an instance where a member of a cabinet engages in rulemaking processes that Congress believes is inappropriate, we have the right to change the law to clarify. And as a private citizen, anyone who believes that the Attorney General is interpreting an existing law inappropriately also has the right to seek redress from the third branch of government, which is the judiciary. I believe that's the appropriate method to move forward.